Let's start the program. Japanese Trader Radio Part.008. Today is 11th Sunday, 2025 by Gift and Craft. 1FX Blankets 1. This week's market movement. This week's bid price. Euro dollars. Tuesday evening 1.133. Wednesday 0.137. 0.136. Thursday 0.13. 0.129. Friday 0.123, 0.125, and Sunday morning now 0.125. Pound dollars. Tuesday evening 0.332, Wednesday 0.337, 0.334, Thursday 0.329, 0.326, Friday 0.324, 0.326, and Sunday morning now 0.33. Dollar yens. Tuesday evening 143.0, Wednesday 42.4, 43.3, Thursday 43.9, 44.8, Friday 45.9, 45.2, and Sunday morning now 45.4. This week's price movements. Euro dollar and pound dollar. There is not much movement. Dollar yen. It seemed the Bank of Japan will not raise interest rate for a while. It soared to 146 yen. This week's economic indicators. 5th 23, the US ISM Services PMI. The actual is 51.6. Previous 50.8, 50.6. 8th 3, the US Fed interest rate decision. The actual 4.5%. Previous 4.5%. Forecast 4.5%. 8th 20, the UK BOE interest rate decision. The actual is 4.25%. Previous 4.5%. Forecast 4.25%. This week's news that seems to be factored in. Britain and the US make a tariff promise. Blanket 3. Next week's market outlook. In this week's chart, dollar yen is uptrend. Suspicion. Trump policy is easing up. Next week's economic indicators. 13th, Tuesday 21:30, the US inflation rate MOM. Previous minus 0.1%, forecast 0.3%, core. Previous 0.1%, forecast 0.3%. 15th, Thursday 21:30, the US retail sales MOM. Previous 1.5%, forecast 0.1%. 16th, Friday 8:50, Japan GDP growth rate QOQ. Previous 0.6%. Forecast minus 0.1%. This week's news that doesn't seem to be factored in. We need to look at US economic indicators. Blankets 4. Next week's FX trading strategy and tactics. Euro dollar and pound dollar may be form head and shoulders. 2. Stock. Blankets 1. Dice brands and experienced holding brands investigation. 6347 Praco Dice brand 1. This industry machine. If it can develop overseas market, it can be global niche top. The business and product, plastic processing, the edge. There are many hopes for parts and as it continue to develop firm. So I think the kata is value. Market capitalization is 2 billion yen. Sales is 3 billion yen. Cash equivalent is 1 billion yen. Achievement fee or high price, low price is 13.8. 4-year sales growth rate is plus 0.3%. ROE is minus 14.4%. ROA is minus 7.2%. Equity ratio is 49.6%. Debt with interest is 1 billion yen. Stock chart shows the price is also trading in a range at the lower end. In conclusion, inefficient. Blanket 2, Holding Brands Movement. 2413 M3, Monday, Tuesday, 1785.5. Wednesday, 843.5. Thursday, 904.5. Fridays, 902.5. So I think waiting. 4676 Fujimedia Holdings. Monday and Tuesday, 2770. Wednesday, 848.85. Thursday, 879. Friday, 885. So I think waiting. 9984 Sofan Group. Monday, Tuesday, 7405. Wednesday, 415. Thursday, 238. Friday, 419. So I think that we should identify it. Blanket 3 Investigation about market prices general environment. Japanese stock is generally recovering. Blanket 5 Future stock trading strategy and tactics. The portfolio is not bad, so I am waiting. 3 others. Blanket 1 Travel. I was traveling earlier in the week. I was out of the market. I think trading is only a way of life. I believe that being able to step away from the market is always the right mindset. Blanket 2 Alcohol. I lack of sleep and have headache by drinking. Alcohol became an obstacle. Thank you for listening. Bye.